Hello once again, this is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. You're looking at our eMini Dow, or the YM trading strategy. It's an extension of our eMini Bull Bear method, and this is our beginning trading strategy that we have in the room that's coming out. Our expected launch date right now is March 15th of this year, March 15th, 2010, about 14 days from today, which today, as I'm recording, is March 1st, 2010. I'm going to show you the power of this trading strategy today, and we'll do it quickly so that you can see what this kind of method and the power of this method can entail for you and your account. We're looking at the 9:30 open now. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward to our entry point. Now, if you've watched any of our video and our content on the eMini Bull Bear, you can notice that this is a basic, really nice entry point right here to go short. You're looking at a nice, this is 9:33 in the morning. You're looking at the certainly minus 100 and a nice big green bar volume. Beautiful entry point setup. So let's go ahead and let me put our entry point, stop loss, and so forth in. So here's our entry point here at 10,189, and we have our stop loss at 10,209, and our profit target 40 ticks away at 10,149. So as we set up this trade right now, what we're looking to accomplish out of it is we want to try to take two contracts off at a 2-to-1 profit ratio. So it's 40 ticks by a 20 tick stop loss here. So, and this is a combination of our calculation of our ADR up here at 195, and I'm not going to get into that, but that's just needless to say, we're looking at a 20 tick stop loss against a 40 tick profit target right now on January 28th. So let's go ahead and fast forward and see what happens. So here's the time at 9:38, and we see we're at 10,166, looking for an initial target right now of 10,149. We notice up ahead that our green line is showing 10,193. This could justify a stop around 10,195 right now, by the way. Right here at 9:41, are basically less than 10 minutes later, we're out on two contracts at 40 ticks apiece. That's $200 each contract. We're up $400, and we have one trailing going on right now. We look at our green line, 10,175, and we're going to trail behind that roughly at 10,177. So this is how we set this trade up, and now we're actually looking for, and you look down here, we see 10,069 to our lower average daily range. Our target on our final contract, by the way, will be 10,089. Let's make this a round 100-point profit target down. If when filled, this would be $500. So the total possible trade combination of this trade right now is 2 out here, 2, 4, that's 400, and another 5 to here gives us $900 profit. So let me go ahead and fast forward our exit point on our last contract. So here we are about 10:14 in the morning, and we see that our 50 bar MA gives us the ability here to trail on the 50 bar MA. So we could look at maybe let's take a look. We could look at a little bit below where we are for a stop. So basically, since our entry point at 9:33, it hasn't been an hour worth of trading, but we're in a nice profitable position, and we're trying to see if we can run this down to our target. Right about here, we're seeing the market making a nice upward trend back, and we want to protect our position. So looking at roughly 10,132, 134, right around this area to protect our trading position right now. You could be looking at 139, but we want to be able to protect our position and still allow this trade to see if we can have some room for profit to reach our ultimate target of 10,089 here. Now the time of the trade, as we're speaking, this is 10:40, so it's 10:40 a.m. Eastern time. 10,089. So once again, we had our entry point up here at 10,189. About less than 10 minutes were filled on two-thirds of our profit, 200 apiece, $400, and about 10:50 a.m. Eastern time, the last third of this contract of three contracts is 100 points here, or 100 ticks, getting us another $500. Our stop loss never came into, in the very beginning, never came into play, and we used a trailing stop to get out on our last contract. The trade total here on every 3 contracts, $900 on every 3 contracts. This, once again, is our powerful eMini YM bull bear trading strategy, developing off of our eMini bull bear free method. We look forward to seeing you soon in our trading room or the purchase of this product. Once again, the expected launch date release is around March 15th, 2010. We'll see you then.